Hi, I'm Ty. Got your corner? I've got mine. Let's read together. Today's book, I'll add the link to my description box. Don't forget, click that thumbs up, like, subscribe, then share with everyone so we can all read together. Okay, let's read. From the Clever Factory Incorporated collection, we have another Bible reader, this time level 2 reader. 3 stories in 1. Joseph's story. God gave Joseph a special gift. Joseph could tell the meaning of dreams. He told his brothers about his dreams. In one dream, his brothers' bundles of wheat bowed down to his own wheat bundle. In another dream, the sun, moon, and stars bowed down to Joseph. His brothers grew angry. They made a plan to sell Joseph to some traders. Then the brothers sold Joseph into slavery for 8 ounces of silver. Joseph ended up in Egypt. News of Joseph's gift reached the Pharaoh, who ruled all of Egypt. Pharaoh had been trying to figure out what his own dreams meant. He summoned Joseph to come to him.
"Tell me the meaning of my dreams," Pharaoh said. God helped Joseph understand. "A terrible famine is coming," Joseph said. Pharaoh put Joseph in charge. He ordered men to collect and store food. Back home, Joseph's family was hungry. They heard Pharaoh had saved food. The brothers traveled to Egypt. "Maybe Pharaoh can help us," Joseph saw his brothers. The brothers did not know Joseph. "Please help us. We have no food," they said. Joseph had pity on them. "I forgive you for selling me. It was God who sent me here to do his work. I was able to save many lives. Now we can live together." Story 2, Jonah and the Big Fish. One day, God said to Jonah, "Go to the great city of Nineveh. Tell them to stop doing evil things." Jonah did not want to go. The people there were wicked. His people were enemies of the Nineveh people. Jonah knew that God needed his help with the people of Nineveh, but Jonah decided to run away. He went to the harbor. He found a ship that was going away from Nineveh. He paid money to get on that ship. At sea, a great storm came upon the ship. The sailors thought the ship would break apart. They asked, "Why is this happening?" Jonah said, "It is my fault. God is upset with me. Throw me overboard to end the storm." The sailors did not want to, but they threw him over. As the storm ended, a large fish swallowed Jonah. Inside the fish, for 3 days and nights, he prayed and thanked God for saving him. God heard his prayers. God forgave Jonah and put him safely on the land. "Now obey me," said God. "Go to the great city of Nineveh. Tell the people my message that I gave you." This time, Jonah did exactly what God told him to do. Jonah went to Nineveh and told the people, "Ask God to forgive your sins." The people listened. Then, just as God so dearly wanted, the people of Nineveh changed their ways. God heard them and forgave the people. Story 3, the fiery furnace. After King Nebuchadnezzar captured Israel, some of its royal boys were invited to study under the king. He said, "They must be smart, eager to learn, and good-looking. We will teach them. Then they will serve me." Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were chosen to attend the king's school. They studied night and day and then began to serve the king. He questioned them and found them to be smarter than anyone else. The king built a giant gold statue. He called his musicians to play. He gathered all his people together at the statue. "You must all worship my statue, or be thrown in a fiery furnace. Bow when you hear the music." The music played, and everyone bowed down. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego worshipped only the one true God. When the music played, the boys did not follow the king's new law. They prayed to God. Some of the king's men went to the king to complain. "You made a law for all the people to worship your gold statue, but there are people working for you who do not follow your law." Those boys did not bow. The king was furious. He called Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. The music played. They did not bow. "I will throw you in the furnace. Your God cannot save you from my fire." The king said, "Make the furnace hotter than ever. Throw Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in." The three boys stood inside the fire unharmed. A fourth person stood in the flames with them. The king said, "Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out." Everyone saw they had not been burned. "Praise to the one true God," said the king. "Respect only him." The end. I can do all things, small things, hard things. I can do all things through Christ, who gives me and you strength. Philippians 4:13. God bless you. Bye-bye.